Hello everyone! In today's episode of What's This, we will take a look at a version bradux. And well, the use of this kinda follows up on last week's video. So bradux is a tool that allows you to check how true your balance wheel is and how to adjust it. So, mainly after you have replaced the axle of your balance wheel, but either because it was worn out or because it was broken, it is very possible that in remounting the new axle, you introduced some errors and the balance wheel is not true anymore. And what you would do is you would clamp it in between these two. There's a little rubies in there with a little hole. So yeah, let's get that back in there. So, you would place the balance wheel in between these two. You can adjust them. And then you would use this little tongue, which comes out if you screw this wheel. So it will come out, and you will place it next to the balance wheel really close, also with the help of this little pin, so it's really close, and then you spin it fast, and then if it's not true, you can see it wobble. So yeah, it's a bit hard to show like this, so let's hop onto the microscope. I'm going to mount a balance wheel in here. I'm not going to show that on camera because it's kind of fiddly. You need to have like the tension here just right, otherwise it doesn't really spin that smoothly. It also can't fall out because, well, that would be bad. So yeah, I'm going to get that set up, and I'll see you under the microscope. So here we have the products on the microscope. As you can see, it's securely in there. You can see I've adjusted the tongue to be almost touching, but not quite. So now let's give it a spin. As you can see, there's there is little to none like it runs pretty true. There is a tiny bit on that, but yeah, it's so minuscule because we're looking under the microscope. Like normally you would do this with the naked eye. I'm pretty sure with the naked eye this would look just fine. So the way you would adjust it is you would turn it like this until you have the point you want to adjust, and then you would use your two fingers like this to literally press down, and then you would just give it a slight bend like that, and then you would check again. And oh, it seems like I actually fixed it. Yeah, it's running better. So yeah, that's how you would go about doing that. So this is the bradux. This is a more modern tool, although this one is already pretty old. However, there are lots of other tools that would fulfill the same function, but that are much older. However, if you want to do something like this, you probably want a bradux these days, unless you work with pocket watches. Some pocket watches do have axles that won't fit in the little rubies. But yeah, if I remember, I will post a picture of the older ones, so you have kind of an idea if you ever come across a tool like that, what it's for. Because, well, you can still use them, however, they are not super easy to use. Like, they still have that function, but this one is much more convenient. So yeah, that was a video about the bradux from Bergeron. So hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.